I need to clean up my room real bad. Like, I went through some shoes. I was looking for, they was all the way at the bottom. I need to wash my sheets, which I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow because it's already late. Bathroom needs to be clean. That's all the mess from me. Washing my hair and shit, all them damn towels. And vanity mirror lights keep fucking falling. And, like, just a lot of shit. So, we about to get started. About to go to bed soon, so that's why I'm just half-assing making up the bed. But I got good progress. It wasn't really that bad. I just need to pick up the shit, but I'm at the vacuum. And then I think that'll be done with the room. These vanity freaking lights keep falling down. I guess because when I first put them on there, I stuck them on there, then I took them off. So, cleaned that table off. Half made my bed. My dresser, I kind of cleaned off the other day. Because white get dusty. Like, what the fuck? I hate. Like, I like white because it look clean and shit. But let me stop cussing so much. I like white because it looks like clean and, you know, nice. But you can see the dust real fast. And I just cleaned this off 2 days ago. That bag is full of Bath and Body Works stuff that I got from last year. Like, I still got like a lot of hand soaps and stuff. I just put them right there because I don't have no other storage in this apartment. And my shoes, they can't fit in my closet because my closet is small as fuck. And then that's like some stuff from Boohoo that I was supposed to do a try on haul like months ago. Probably like 10 months ago, but I never did it. Yeah. This clean. I do need to dust this off though, because like I said, white gets dusty. So all down there, I'm gonna get my Swiffer duster tomorrow and dust it because I don't feel like doing it. It's not a necessity right now. I just have to get rid of the clutter because I have OCD. Got my Nintendo right there. My vanity table, it was pretty much clean. I had cleaned that up the other day, but I kind of use it a lot, and of course it's white, so it gets dirty fast. But pretty much everything is clean. Probably need to dust my TV off too. And yeah, that's my little mini room tour because it's small as hell. But it's oh shit. But it's big enough for the queen. Queen size bed, big enough for the queen. And I'm about to take on my bathroom. I don't think I'm going to film that because my bathroom is already small and the angles and shit. And you know when you want to clean, like me cleaning the living room and stuff, I could just adjust the angle and point it. But my bathroom is small as fuck, so I got to turn it this way to wipe this, turn it that way. I ain't got time. I'm just going to sweep. My drain was clogged. So I'm actually just waiting for, I gotta wait an hour for the drain to finish. It say wait an hour, the bottle said wait an hour. So I'm gonna wait an hour for that to finish. And then I'm gonna clean the bathroom. And I think that's pretty much it. Nothing really else going on today as usual. I don't know how people do daily vlogs because my life is boring. Even pre-corona, my life was pretty boring. So, I appreciate y'all for watching my vlogs, even though I know they are boring. Which I don't know why I say that because I have the typical life, like. Yeah, I just have a typical life, just living day to day. And of course, I want y'all to subscribe, like this video, comment. And I still feel like I need to dye my eyebrows. Like, I keep saying that because, like, when I look at myself, I don't know if I should lighten them a little bit. Not, like, the same color, but, like, maybe a little bit. Oh, and I bought me some rollers. Let me get them. All my niggas in the whole world. Okay. So, I bought me some rollers, which, girl, this is old school. But I bought these rollers because I don't want to keep curling my hair every day. And when I wrap my hair at night to go to bed, it actually flattens out the curls. So, I was like, maybe I can just roll it up at night and then take them down, you know, in the morning or whatever. So my hair can still have like a slight little curl to it. I don't want it to be like super curl, but I want it to have like a little nice flavor to it. I don't want it to just be flat, dead, and boring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in Vlogmas.